Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious cinnamon rolls. Let's get started. To make my favorite sweet bread dough, you're gonna need warm milk, add a pinch of sugar, dry yeast, flour, and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Into the flour, we're going to add salt, granulated sugar, melted and cooled butter with egg yolks and vanilla extract, and yeast mixture. I'm going to use a hook to knead the dough for about 10 minutes until the dough pulls away from the sides of the bowl. If you find that the dough is too wet, you can add a little more flour. I'm going to knead it for about 30 seconds to a minute, and now we're going to make the filling. To make the filling, I'm using brown sugar and cinnamon, lots of cinnamon. I love cinnamon. And now we're going to roll the dough into a rectangle. Brush it with some melted and cooled butter. Spread a generous amount of filling on half of the dough and then fold the other half over and press the ends to seal it. Use a pastry wheel to cut the dough into strips. With the pastry wheel, cut the slits, taking care not to go through the ends. And now we're gonna shape the rolls. I'm using a round pan, but you can also use a rectangle pan or a square pan, and I lined my pan with a parchment paper and I spread it with a non-stick spray. Once we are done shaping these, we're going to let it proof. So you're gonna cover it with a damp paper towel, put it in a warm place and let it rise for about 45 minutes, and then we're gonna brush it with melted and cooled butter and bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once baked, let it cool slightly and then you can prepare the glaze. Into the powdered sugar, add melted butter, hot water, and vanilla bean paste. Whisk it until smooth. Now with the pastry brush, we're going to brush it onto the rolls. I love using this glaze on pretty much everything. It's so good. You can make these ahead of time. They freeze really, really well. And I love this sweet bread dough. You can use it for so many different things. Delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next time.